Exercise 1.1 of chapter 1. First question. Which of the following are sets? The collection of all the months of a year beginning with letter J. The only possible collection is Jan, June and July. So this collection is well defined, hence it is a set. The collection of 10 most talented writers of India. This collection varies from person to person, hence this is not a set. A team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. Here, best is not well defined, hence the collection varies from person to person, hence this is not a set. The collection of all boys in your class. There is only one possible collection. So this collection is well defined, it is a set. The collection of all natural numbers less than 100. This is a well defined collection, hence it is a set. A collection of novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand. So the novels can be easily identified, hence this collection is well defined, so it is a set. The collection of all even integers. This is a well defined collection, hence it is a set. The collection of questions in this chapter. So this collection is well defined, hence it is a set. A collection of most dangerous animals of the world. This collection varies from person to person, hence this is not a set. Next question. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the appropriate symbol belongs to or doesn't belongs to in the blank spaces. 5 is present in set A, so we say 5 belongs to set A. 8 is not present in set A, so we say 8 doesn't belongs to set A. 0 is not present in set A, so 0 doesn't belongs to set A. 4 is present in set A, so 4 belongs to set A. 2 is present in set A, so 2 belongs to set A. 10 is not present in set A, 10 doesn't belongs to set A. Next question. Write the following sets in roster form. Here, x is an integer and x is greater than or equal to minus 3 less than 7. Since x is greater than or equal to minus 3 must be included in the list, and x is less than 7, so 7 is not included in the list. So the elements of set A are minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. X is a natural number less than 6. Here x is less than 6, so 6 is not included in the list. So the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are not writing 0 because x is a natural number. X is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digits is 8. So we have 2 digits. If we add these 2 digits, the sum should be equal to 8. If you consider 1 and 7, the sum will be equal to 8. If we consider 2 and 6, sum will be equal to 8. So similarly, we are going to consider all the 2-digit numbers such that the sum of its digits is 8. So the elements of set C are 17, 26, 35, 44, 53, 62, 71 and 80. X is a prime number which is divisor of 60. Let us consider divisor of 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. But here X is a prime number. So the only prime numbers are 2, 3 and 5. So set D is equal to 2, 3, 5. The set of all letters in the word trigonometry. So the elements of set E are T, R, I, G, O, N. Next letter is O, but O is already present, so we are not going to repeat this letter. Next, M, E, P is already present, we are not going to repeat. R is already present, we are not going to repeat. And Y. The set of all letters in the word better. Set F is B, E, T. Next letter is T. We are not going to repeat. Next, E is already present, not going to repeat. And R. Next question. Write the following sets in the set builder form. So for this, first we have to identify the property of elements. Here the first element is 3 into 1. Second element is 3 into 2. Next 3 into 3. Next 3 into 4. So in general we can write 3n. Now the set builder form is, you can use any small letter followed by colon, and property of the elements. Here x is equal to 3n, where n belongs to natural numbers, and then we have to write the range of n. Here n varies from 1 to 4, including 1 and 4. Hence we can write n is greater than or equal to 1, less than or equal to 4. Two, 4, 8, 16, 32. First identify the property. Here first element is 2 power 1, second element is 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5. So in general we can write 2 power n. So the set builder form is, use any small letter followed by colon, property. Here y is equals to 2 power n, where n belongs to natural numbers, and we have to write the range. Here n varies from 1 to 5, including 1 and 5. So we can write n is greater than or equal to 1, less than or equal to 5. 5, 25, 125, 625. Identify the property. First element is 5 power 1, second element 5 power 2, 5 power 3, 5 power 4. So in general we can say 5 power n. So the set builder form is use any small letter followed by colon, property of elements x equal to 5 power n, where n belongs to natural numbers and the range of n. Here n varies from 1 to 4 including 1 and 4. So we can write n is greater than or equal to 1, less than or equal to 4. 2, 4, 6 and so on. Here the numbers are even numbers. So the set builder form is use any letter followed by colon and the property of the elements. Y is an even natural number. One, 4, 9, so on till 100. First identify the property. Here first element is 1 square, second element is 2 square, next 3 square and so on, and the last element is 10 square. So in general we can write n square. So the set builder form is x followed by colon, property of x equal to n square, where n belongs to natural numbers and range of n. Here n varies from 1 to 10 including 1 and 10. So we can write n is greater than or equal to 1 and less than or equal to 10. List all the elements of the following sets. X is an odd natural number. The elements of set A are 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. X is an integer and x is greater than minus 1 by 2, less than 9 by 2. That means x is greater than minus 0.5 and less than 4.5. The elements will be the integers between minus 0.5 and 4.5. So set B is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. X is an integer such that x square is less than or equal to 4. To get x square less than or equal to 4, the value of x must be greater than or equal to minus 2 and less than or equal to plus 2. So set C will be equal to, since x is greater than or equal to minus 2 must be included. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and x is less than or equal to 2, so 2 must be included. X is a letter in the word loyal. Set D will be equal to L, O, Y, A. Next letter is L. L is already present, so we are not going to repeat the letter. X is a month of a year not having 31 days. Here we have to list all the months not having 31 days. So set E will be equal to February, April, June, September, November. X is a consonant in English alphabet which precedes K. The letters which precedes K are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. We are not going to include letter K. Now the elements are only consonants. So we have to exclude all the vowels A, E, I. So set F will be equal to B, C, D, F, G, H and J. Next question. Match the following. In the left column, roster form is given. In the right column, set builder form is given. 1, 2, 3, 6. So these are the natural numbers and divisor of 6. 2 and 3. These are also divisor of 6, but these are prime numbers. So the set builder form is prime number and divisor of 6. Next one is obviously letters of word mathematics. And the last one is an odd natural number less than 10.